Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome to day 5 of my December daily. So today's story was going to be all about, or the beginnings of the overnight with my 3 oldest grandkids. I had them overnight Saturday into Sunday, and I thought I'd do, Saturday on the 5th, like it took place, and then on the 6th I would do Sunday. However, this happened. So I think I've talked a little bit about how there was a new family member due in our family, and there he is. So I'm not going to put his name out or anything like that. I don't do that anyway, but let's just say he has a perfect name for a December baby boy. So I'm still psyched about that, and thought, well, this is a big deal in my December book, considering, the page across is the COVID testing stuff that I did the day before. So I think it's cool to be able to look at this on the next day, on the very next day or at all. So because this is a baby boy, I figured I'd do some blue for this page, and that is in my album, so that'll work. However, it really doesn't appear on this page at all. There's a little bit in these book deposits and then a little bit in the sky, but really it's a red and green page. So what I thought I would do is bring in that red and green with the star and polka dot. What am I trying to think? The star and polka dot washi tape here. Now, I also grabbed some enamel hearts, but I'm thinking if I'm going to use the stars, I might not want to do that. I might want to add in the like some enamel stars instead, and gosh knows I have a lot of enamel stuff. We'll see if I have enough of that though. Let's see. Oh, I might not have a lot of, oh, actually, here's some, oh, this would be cool. All right, I have a ton of these Bella Boulevard ones in red here. So, and I think I want them smaller than this Ellie Studio. I always have these to hand. It's just to my left. And I'm sorry if I'm going to be coughing a little bit. I had an asthma attack yesterday, and my throat is still a little bit rocky from coughing and breathing and that kind of thing. So nothing serious, it just is what it is. So this is also a piece from my Redefined Creative Kit that I thought I'd get in here with the whole joy piece of this. And now that I think about it, so if that's gold foil, I'm probably going to want some gold foil on here as well. So I do have my little gold stars here, and I can pop in a couple of those. So I'll pop that up there. Now, I thought I could cover this. There's a, these are Old Holy Night phrase stickers from last year, Ellie Studio. There's one that's celebrating the birth of Jesus. And I'm not trying to be sacrilegious here, but I, chop it off so it says celebrating the birth. But I also picked this notes from today, which is a printable from a few years ago. The thing I'm not liking about this is it's a lot of white on white, and I'm thinking if I do this instead, that would probably work a little bit better. Now, the other thing is obviously this is very red and green, so I'm going to be adding this to it. So what I'll do is I'm going to do these right away, and hopefully get that on there. Hopefully. And this will just bring in some of that color across the page. And the red and green won't sit exactly equally to the page next door. I'm okay with that. That wasn't my aim here. Just to get some of the color there and to bring it across. And then you can also use some twine there, some red twine in that tag, and then that'll bring that across as well too. There is a little bit of, I think those blankets are kind of pink and blue, so you can see the pink, but we'll pretend that's red. And this one I think I'm going to go, this tape is printed, it's a lot closer, the dots are a lot closer on one side than the other, so I'm just trying to kind of figure out how to get that on here. So this is really exciting. This baby is just so exciting. this, especially this particular year, as we're all not very excited about this year. Well, lots of parts of this year anyway. Okay, so there's that. And then I think that there and this here. And I'm loving the way this is looking so far. And then I do have to do a number, so I could do a number up in this corner. I could do my 5 up in that corner. And I think that's what I'm going to do. And what I'll do is really my plan for the card. I'm going to photograph this before I do it, though. So his identity is protected. You know, I want to keep, like, I don't know. And you'll probably hear about the baby eventually, but not on his birthday. So I'm thinking we'll pop a little twine through this, but I'm going to still do this. And you haven't seen any Redefine Creative stuff on my December daily yet because my kit did not come until yesterday, and I have the kids already, so I didn't open it until about an hour ago on the 6th, because this is the 6th that I'm actually working on the layout. So if you've been wondering where that stuff is after I talked about it, that's where it is. Now the other thing I could do is, if I wanted to, I could come up and bring some of these colors up in here. Like I could add a little bit of the washi tape up here. The other thing I thought about was I have this is from 2013 and I just broke it. Survived all that time and I just broke it. This word joy. And, you know, we've talked about before, that was my word in, I think, 2016. And I still love that word. But I thought it would be entirely appropriate for this as well. And I thought maybe I'm going to have to play with this. I might be able to get it on here somewhere. Like here, maybe. Yeah, let's try that. I'm going to pop out this center of these. I definitely don't want those on the photograph. And what I'm thinking is a star then could go on the descender of the word joy. Okay, just need to get, this is not the easiest thing, so that I'm not, and I'm going to let it kind of fall off the page here. I'm going to get the Y on first and stuck down. And then I can just clip this off. I could have left it, but I think I'd like that more to the, justified to the right. And, and now I can't find where the rest of the word went. Oh, here it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes, I had 3 children last night. 7, and there is a period for this. I'm not going to do that because that's getting a little bit too far up in the picture. So I had 3 children, 7, 4, and 2 overnight, and they are a joy. Speaking of joy, but they're also, oh gosh, grandma's tired when they go home. I don't know how their parents do it, but they do. Okay, so here we have, I'm just going to put that little puffy there. And here I am again putting the puffies on the inside. That's okay. I could do a puffy here as well too. You know, just that to get that down there. What I want to do first though is look at my numbers and see what I might have available. And I don't think my Redefine Creative, my LA Studios normally come with numbers. I know that they did. There's a 5 in this one. I was hoping it might be a little bit bigger though. I'm gonna peek through my smaller alphas here. I could do, I was going to just say I could do black or something like that, but I don't really want to. Yeah, oh, it's funny because I already have, oh my gosh, I have 3 sheets of these, you guys. Ugh. Okay. So let's just get this 5 on here. This will work. Let's not think too hard. Okay. Then I could, sorry guys, could do a small star. Oh, and look at, but it'll be right, like this one is done. So I'm going to just pop this in here. This is a little tight. I'm going to just take, sometimes these 3x4s really get actually a little tight for these pockets. This one especially. Okay, that's going to go in there much better. Okay. And then we can kind of see what's going on here. See, if I put the little star, it's right like there. Unless I move the 5 over. Just going to add just a little tiny bit there. Okay. So there's a one. Now I think I need a star up here. Oh, and I did talk about, did I want to do any gold stars? Almost forgot. Because I could also layer stars up in here. Or maybe we just put a star here with another smaller star like there up in that photo. And I think that's all I'm going to do with that one. Again, I could, if I wanted to, add in some of the washi there, like the green washi tape up here would be great. Just to get a little piece of it up on that corner, but I'd really rather have this be about him and, you know, things of him. Now, what I'm looking at now is I'm thinking that I would like to get maybe 3 stars on this page. And there's also 2 kind of red colors in these stars. One is a more orangey and one is a more brick red. I need the more brick or more orangey one. Okay, so I have that one, and then maybe right down here. There are some open stars here as well. Oh, I did think, I forgot about the celebrating the birth thing here. No, I think that's just too much. We're going to not do that. I think the 2 joy words and that are perfect. And then I'll grab a little twine here. So I don't really have any green anywhere else on this, but I think that's okay. I think it's just bringing it from one side to the other. And as I'm looking at this, I think I'd like to do a gold star here as well and figure out how we make that work. This is just, I don't think that's such a bad thing up here because I really wanted a bigger number and I'm not going to get one. So I think that would be a good thing because it gives that little number cluster up there a little bit more presence. Okay, it would also help if I put a little ATG on it. I don't put a lot of foam dots or that kind of stuff behind in these. Yes, certainly the puffy stickers are going to increase the size. Or increase the height. I already have a really big book without helping even more. So I save that kind of stuff for my 12x12 layouts. And if you watch me, you know that I do a lot of that. Okay, so I think that's good. And I just need the twine. And let's do, I'm just going to do red. And I'm feeling red, I don't know, I like the red and blue together, I guess. With just the little X. Or maybe, I just said that and now I'm thinking, maybe we want a little green. to get a little more green on here. Let's see, do I like that? Or do I like that? I like that better. I think you see the red better, actually. Okay. I'm allowed to change my mind, right? It's my book. This is a little fun to get through because this hole is not huge. Okay, there we go. And there's the twine. So, all right, you guys, that is day 5 all done. And I'm so glad I get to put this story in. Number 1, just because I'm so glad he's here. So, all right, you guys, hope you're having a great day. And I will be back again tomorrow with day 6.